How would you like to live just a few miles away from Siesta Key in a secluded, private waterfront community? Well, right behind me is our newest $3.49 million, 5,000 square foot, fully remodeled listing with water access. The best part is that you do not need flood insurance for this property. So right behind me is 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bath home, and I'm super excited to walk you guys through what this looks like, so come on. So as you guys can see, as we walk through here, we are going to have these gorgeous French impact resistant hurricane doors here. And as we walk through this house, you are going to go down this gallery, which would make an amazing place for artwork. Over here, you are going to have your half powder bath over here as well. And then all of this has been fully remodeled in 2023 with hurricane impact resistant windows just being installed a few weeks ago. Now right here is your brand new epoxied floor 2-car garage. As you can see, this is a little bit larger because you do have this break right here, and it is a little bit deeper than your traditional garage. And this is where one of the AC and water heaters will be. And as we continue throughout this house over here, we are going to go back down the gallery section here, and we are going to go into the main living area. So what I absolutely love about this living area is that it is for an entertainer's dream. As you guys can see off to our left-hand side here, this is more of the formal living space with this electric fireplace that actually gives off heat when you can also put in a TV right here as well. We opted for a painting just for aesthetic purposes. And then right here, you are going to drop down 2 extra feet. So you have 14-foot ceilings here in this large, expansive dining area overlooking this beautiful 9-foot deep pool that was fully resurfaced back in 2023. And we will show you guys what that backyard looks like. Now right over here is an additional living area, which can be transformed into either a wet bar area, a library, or you can make this a glass office. The possibilities are really endless with this section over here, or you can just make it part of the entertaining area in general. But as we go over here, we are going to go check out this first bedroom, which also has a beautiful ensuite. As you guys can see, it's a very spacious bedroom with a more modern contemporary flair, as you guys can see over here. Showers are all going to be very similar, except the color schemes are a little bit different. So now as we walk over here, we are going to go all the way across the other side of this living area to where this is where you would put kind of the junior master suite, so to speak. So over here is going to be on the right hand side is going to be where the 4th office or where the 4th bedroom is. Currently it's staged as an office, but it does overlook the pool as well. So this is technically the 4th bedroom, but we do have it staged as the office. And then as we continue down this short little hallway right here, off to the right-hand side, you are going to have another full bathroom, which once again, very similar concept, just a little different color scheme. Then of course we have this large, expansive junior master suite over here as well. So the primary suite is going to be upstairs, over 1,000 square feet upstairs, but this would make a great secondary master as well. So now let's head over towards the kitchen, since everyone loves the kitchens and basically the entertaining area. So as you guys can see here, we have to walk through the living room, which this is going to be a real wood burning fireplace right here. It is active, has never been used, as you guys can see right here. But now we are going to go right over here to this custom kitchen. So here we have these dolomite countertops with this waterfall counter edge, wireless charging over here, dolomite backsplash, and then these modern contemporary cabinets, which are absolutely amazing, but they do go all the way up to the ceiling. You have your brand new Café Series appliances with a custom wood range hood as well. And then over there, you are going to have the walk-in pantry. Now what's nice about this is that not only do you have the kitchen right here, but you also have bar seating right here with more additional storage underneath. And then you have the more informal living area. So as you guys can see, it fits a sofa perfectly, and you can also throw in over a 100-inch TV screen or a short throw projector. But this is a perfect area for entertaining because it connects straight to the kitchen. Then obviously right here, you have these beautiful views off into the water and the backyard. And like I said, the best part is that this property is elevated significantly so that you do not need any flood insurance. So now let's go over here and let's go check out what the laundry room looks like. So Before we get to the laundry room, we do have a 45 bottle wine rack as well, which there's a lot of different options that you can use for it. You either can keep it as a wine rack, or you could take this additional storage area right here, blow it out to make your whole wine cellar area. And then over here, we are going to have the laundry room. And now after the laundry room, we are going to walk up the stairs with this wire railing right here, but these are solid wood stair treads, which is super nice. Dark brown to accent the rest of the features throughout the house. And then as we walk upstairs over here, what you're going to find off onto the left-hand side is going to be the walk-in closet. Halfway through this walk-in closet, you take a right and you have additional storage over here as well. And now as we continue walking down here, off to our right-hand side, we are going to have the master bathroom. So as you guys can see here, we have this large floating tub over there. You have a dual sink countertop and vanity. You have a separate vanity area here, and then you have this large shower space. And then as we continue here, we obviously have the master suite, the heart of the house. You have these gorgeous two-tiered tray ceilings, which this is a very large master suite area with these gorgeous water views. And now I think it's time for us to go check out the outside area and the pool, so let's go and take a look at that. But as you guys can see here, it is a very separated property, so you do have over 1,000 square foot as the master, and then just under 4,000 square feet living space throughout the first floor. So over here, you have a lot of different slider options to walk through. But as we walk through this, as you guys can see, this is a fully resurfaced pool, 9 foot deep with brand new limestone pavers. This is a gorgeous mango tree right here that is actually giving off a lot of mangoes right now. But the idea behind this is if you guys are looking for an outdoor kitchen, either do the outdoor kitchen here with a cabana, or you can do an outdoor kitchen back there towards the house. But there is a lot of room to do whatever you want to make this your outdoor oasis. But as you guys can see here, we're gonna walk through this backyard, which is full St. Augustine grass, fully irrigated with a well as well. And as we walk down here, we are going to go more down towards what is the jet ski dock right now, right? And you guys will see here, I'll throw up the drone to show you kind of how quick it is to get to the Gulf. But anyways, this right now is a jet ski dock. It would fit 2 jet skis perfectly, but if you wanna extend it out, you'd be able to extend this dock out another 15 feet to be able to fit a 25, 30 foot boat. But over straight ahead down there is going to be where you would go, and then take left another 80 yards and you are into the bay. But as you guys can see here from the back, this is a very elevated house. Once again, no worries for flood insurance. But overall, this property is a fully renovated property. It was renovated in 2023. It went from a Spanish Tuscan style to more of this British West Indies. As you guys can see with this metal standing seam roof and these brand new impact windows, it really makes this house a very unique property. And this is actually one of the only waterfront properties in Sarasota that does not need flood insurance of this caliber. So once again, this is going to be a 5,012 square foot home, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths with a lot of endless possibilities. Perfect for entertaining. You're in a prime location just miles away from Siesta Key, just a mile or 2 away from restaurants, shopping, and dining. And there's just so much activities you can do in this general area. So if you guys have any other questions about this property or looking for more waterfront properties, you guys can reach out to us with our contact information down below. But I will also put in the MLS link for this property so that you guys can see. And maybe if you guys have questions or anything like that after viewing it, you guys can reach out to our team personally, as we would be happy to answer any and all of your questions. But until next week, I appreciate you guys checking out this video, and we will catch you guys on the next one.